Hi guys, so there has been a lot of questions from you all that wish to know me better, like what do I do during my spare time, how do I like to spend my day. um I enjoy writing short stories. Okay, I have written several short stories. You can find out more about my short stories on Amazon by searching my name, Akene Patience Short Stories on Amazon. So if you have never heard about Amazon is a great platform. You can find exciting short stories there. You can find clothing, cosmetics, and more on Amazon. You can shop on Amazon worldwide. So you can actually shop for my short stories directly on Amazon, or you can shop directly from me. So I have been on Amazon for almost 3 years now and have sold my own several of my short stories, and many of you like it. So if you wish to sponsor me, not only shopping for my short stories, but you just want to sponsor a lovely space for writing short stories or creating this content, you're highly welcome to do so. I enjoy promoting brands, goods and services. Aside from writing short stories, prior to writing short stories, I used to be a full-time photo model and a student, so I used to do a lot of photo shoots. But nowadays I invest my time writing short stories. So how long does it take to write a short story? Sometimes it takes just one day, sometimes 2 weeks, sometimes 2 months. It all depends on the storyline, and if you wish to make it like more than 5 pages, it might even take up to 1 month. All right. You can be self-published. So most of you that wish to become self-published writer, you can build a blog by using Squarespace, Wiz.com, WordPress to build your own blog, or you can employ top-notch blogger or web designer such as my tech partners, Loop Design. I did some listings on akenepatience.com/web design, so you can contact these web designers, or you can just go on Google and search for web designers and contact and contract with them. So Mr. Dot in the Netherlands is a great web designer, so you can actually build a very decent website by using the services of Mr. Dot. So you can find more about Mr. Dot on akenepatience.com/web design. So I write exciting book short stories, and I design websites, and I'm able to design web shop as well. Okay, so yeah, that's why it's very, very exciting for me, because I'm able to design my website, publish my own book, and try to make sales, and of course seek for help, sponsorship, and support. Okay, now I'm going to talk about what I do aside from writing short stories. I design websites. And what do I do? I've designed several websites, more than 20 websites. You can find out more about my web design on akenepatience.com/web design. So I have designed and recommended some top-notch brands such as Bob.com, Amazon. I've recommended Chloe, Celine, Gucci, Prada, Dior, Givenchy, Louis Vuitton, YSL, even some top-notch hotels such as Hyatt Hotel, Hilton Hotel, Radisson Blue Hotel, Fletcher Hotel, the cloak collections. So you can find all these goods and services on the top page of my website, akenepatience.com slash hotels, or akenepatience.com slash beauty, akenepatience.com slash hair, akenepatience.com slash food. I enjoy creating this content, recommending brands. For example, on akenepatience.com/food, because I have experienced McDonald's. I'm sure most of you watching this video has experienced McDonald's. Most of you have experienced Albert Heijn, Jumbo Supermarket, Derrick, Lidl, Aldi, because I've experienced them, and I love to create these teacher videos for you guys. So I decided to also invest my time and create these listings on my website, so that you guys can listen and at the same time read. Of course, I also recommended some real estate companies. Many of you know Soho, some of you know Regus, some of you know Broadfast, Fonda. All right, so if you are new in the Netherlands and you wish to rent a home, you can rent for Fonda, Regus. You can contact them. Broadfast has listings of homes for rent and for sale on their website, so you can actually buy a home via Broadfast or Regus. In the Netherlands, Rottfast, Regus are very popular. In Nigeria, you have Cross and Churchill. You also have Regus in Lagos, Nigeria. At Victoria Island, you have Revolution Plus Properties, you have Affable Properties. So I did some listings on icanapatience.com/management. I hope you guys are inspired. You can contact these companies. So I've shared with you what I do nowadays: writing short stories, web design, creating this content, and also I'm in need of a job. I am an experienced carer, so I work nowadays as a freelance carer. So what does the freelance carer do? The freelance carer is someone that enjoys, sharing information related to healthcare, self-care. Like I create this content, and whenever I create this content, I tend to share with you items I use for, brushing my teeth, or my hair care products, or perfumes. So this kind of freelance carer, task, doing creating ASMR video. That's like being caring, like persons that might need something soothing that can help them fall asleep. So that's what a freelance carer does. A freelance carer also offers advice in terms of healthcare, self-care, how to stay tidy, keep yourself tidy and clean, as to how to stay fit and healthy, balanced diet, what kind of meals you need to ingest on a daily basis, and why it is important to ingest this meal. So that's where my blog coming, okay? Because I tend to write about top-notch fashion shop or top-notch supermarkets or restaurants, eateries, and so on and so forth. And of course I recommend where to shop for, if you wish to you stay fit, sportive outfits such as the Calvin, so you can actually exercise at the Calvin. I mean, you can buy Adidas, Nike. I did these listings on the top page of my website, icanapatience.com slash fashion. You'll be able to find some fashion brands, and also. So this is the finished result of this makeup look. It took me about 15 minutes to create. It's a simple day makeup look, very down to earth. I hope you like it. Do not forget to check out my other videos to find out more about my makeup tutorials, and also my lovely outfits. I love to wear very pretty dresses on this channel. As you all already know that I'm a short story writer. I write exciting short stories. You can find my short stories on Amazon by searching my name, Ekene Patience Short Stories, on Amazon. You can shop for my short stories on Amazon, or you can shop directly from me. My short stories are 10 euros upwards. So if you wish to donate, sponsor me, you're highly welcome to do so. I've been writing short stories for over 2 years now, and I like it. You can find my short stories on icanapatience.com/short stories, or on blacknut.me/short stories. If you wish to sponsor my gigs, my Fiverr gigs, you can support me by shopping for my short stories on amazon.com, or you can request Tiki payment. You can find my WhatsApp contact on blacknut.me on the top page, or you may want to send me an email. So I also like to use this body scrub and shower from Rituals whenever I'm washing my body. It's very good, highly recommended. Guys, I have finished washing myself. I'm wearing this lovely dress. I just used a little bit of this perfume from Guess. It's one of my favorite perfumes. I like it very much. So I'm also going to share with you how I brush my teeth. Hi guys, I have just had breakfast. I always like to share with you importance of ingesting water. So I've got a big bottle of mineral water. So I always like to ingest these. I enjoy drinking water because it's very healthy, and do make sure you eat properly every day. Eat good breakfast, lunch, and dinner. So this is a very good water. So I'm just going to drink it, and I'm going to start with my makeup. Good morning, arise and shine. Goedemorgen. This is going to be a wake up with me video. This is the curtains. This is the outside view. It's very beautiful. It's a beautiful morning. I'm going to get ready. So I woke up a few moments ago here. Hi guys, I'm going to apply my Maybelline foundation, so I just like to use a little quantity. So this is my technique. I apply a little quantity and I use this brush. So I washed this brush last night, so I'm just going to dab this underneath my eyes. I'm going to speak Dutch in between. Hoi, ik ben nu bezig met mijn foundation te aanbrengen. Dus ik hou van Maybelline New York foundation. Ik gebruik ook graag Dior foundation van Estee Lauder. Ik heb nooit de foundation van Urban Decay gebruikt. Op blacknot.org, ik doe promotie voor Urban Decay. Dus als je een vrouw bent, donkere vrouw, blanke vrouw, ik raad jullie aan eyeshadow van Urban Decay te kopen. Je kunt Urban Decay eyeshadow kopen bij Mooie Parfumerie in Vlissingen. Of je kunt bij Douglas of Easy Paris. Je hebt Douglas in Amsterdam, Douglas in Rotterdam, Douglas in Amsterdam, Douglas in Utrecht, Douglas in Middelburg. Dus Douglas is heel bekend. A beauty winkel waar jullie mooie foundation kunnen kopen. Now my angels, these are my favorite items for washing my hair. I like to use this shampoo and conditioner on my hair. It helps to repair my hair, make it look beautiful. So I also like to use this body scrub and shower from Rituals whenever I'm washing my body. It's very good, highly recommended. So this is the finished result of this makeup look. It took me about 15 minutes to create. It's a simple day makeup look, very down to earth. I hope you like it. Do not forget to check out my other videos to find out more about my makeup tutorials and also my lovely outfits. I love to wear very pretty dresses on this channel. So while I create this makeup tutorial, I'm going to coach models and photographers worldwide how to, you know, earn extra income as a photo model or as a photographer. So most photographers like to earn income, so you can earn more income by, you know, having yourself registered with iStock, Photolia, Shutterstock. If you're a photographer or a photo model and you can write short stories, you can have your short stories written on WordPress, on a Word document, to have it published on Amazon or Bob.com. So Bob.com is a great platform for selling your books, and you may also want to, you know, create photo books, calendars by using the services of Vistaprint or, you know, Albelly. So on the top page of Blacknot, it's me. I'm promoting Albelly, so you can have a book published in Albelly. So if you're a photographer, you're living in Japan, India, you know, Shutterstock, iStock, Photolia are great platforms for selling your pictures, or you can even sell it like face to face by having it printed out as a calendar or as a photo book. So you may want to use the services of, you know, printing company near you. If you're living in the Netherlands, Belgium, Germany, you can use the services of Vistaprint or the services of Bob.com. Hi guys, so I'm going to tutor you on how to revive your old weave. So if you have an old weave and you wish to revive it, you have to use this Cravat Ale Hatton dry shampoo. It's a dry shampoo, so you just have to spray it on your weave, and afterwards you can wash it with shampoo. So you may use Cravat shampoo, or you can use shampoo from other brands. So I'm just going to say what I've just said in Dutch. Oké, als je oud weave, stel dat je verkoopt mooi pruiken en het is een beetje oud en dat ruikt niet zo lekker meer, je kunt gewoon deze droog shampoo gebruiken en ook shampoo van Klischhoff of van Schwarzkopf, Cravat Schwarzkopf, Even L'Oreal, goed wassen en het zou heel lekker ruiken laten. En als je klaar met je haar verzorgen, vind ik het lekker om een beetje parfum van Guess of van Guess parfum. Oké, beetje parfum op mijn haar of Victoria's Secret parfum. Die zijn super lekker parfums. So, het is super belangrijk om lekker haar te hebben.